In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in ActiveCampaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to build a form, customize it, and get it ready to add to your website. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. On the left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Website. Go ahead and click that. This is where ActiveCampaign keeps all the tools related to your site, including forms. Once you're in the website area, look toward the secondary menu and click on Forms. This will take you to the main Forms dashboard, where you can see any existing forms you've already created, and of course, create new ones. To build a new contact form, look to the top right corner and click the button that says Create a Form. When you click this, a setup window will appear asking for some basic information about your new form. Start by entering a form name. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize later, like Website Contact Form or Newsletter Sign Up. This is just for your own organization inside ActiveCampaign, so your visitors won't see this label. Next, choose your form style. ActiveCampaign gives you a few options here: inline, floating bar, floating box, or modal. Inline is perfect if you want the form to appear directly inside a page or blog post. A floating bar usually sticks to the top or bottom of the screen. A floating box and modal are more attention-grabbing and can pop up over your content. Pick the style that best matches how you want visitors to interact with the form. After that, select the form action. This tells ActiveCampaign what to do when someone submits the form. Common options include subscribing the contact to a list or adding a specific tag. For a basic contact form, you might subscribe them to a leads list or add a tag like Contact Form Submission so you can trigger automations later. Once you've set the name, style, and action, click the Create button to confirm. This will open the form editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your form in the main area and a panel on the right with available fields. To customize the form, drag and drop fields from that right-hand pane into your form. You might add fields like first name, last name, phone number, or any custom fields you've created. You can rearrange them by dragging them up or down until the layout feels right. Keep it simple so people are more likely to complete it. When you're happy with the layout and fields, look to the top right and click Integrate. This saves your current form and gives you the code or options you need to add it to your website. You'll typically see an embed code you can paste into your site's HTML or platform-specific instructions if you're using certain website builders. After you've copied or noted the integration details, click Save and Exit in the top right corner. This closes the editor and returns you to the Forms dashboard with your new contact form ready to use.